Have you ever been playing your favorite game and you found yourself right before you go to select on the level that you want to play on, that it just runs away from you? This is known as drift, and it can be really annoying if you're playing a game and your character just simply drifts off to one side the entire time. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the analog joystick on this Nintendo Switch. It's a fairly simple component to replace, but let me show you how it goes. There are 4 tri-wing screws on the back. Here I have my Y0 screw bit. Once the 4 screws are out, we can carefully pop it apart. We'll disconnect the battery and carefully remove it. After removing these 3 screws, you can carefully pull away this mid-frame. Disconnect the little ribbon cable here and unplug it. Now we have access to the joystick. Carefully fold up the flap and move that flex cable out of the way so that we can unscrew the 2 screws that hold it in. One. Get our new joystick, set it in place. Now I can put back the 2 screws that are holding it in place. 1, 2. Reconnecting it is extremely simple. Gently slide it back in, lift down the flap. Same goes for this one. Push it in. Put down the flap. Now we don't want to forget to put back this flex cable. Along with the 3 screws that hold down the mid-frame. Get our battery back. Reconnect the battery. Now we can gently close this up, making sure none of the cables are getting pinched, and then put back the 4 screws that hold it all together. Now we can check it out, see if we have any remaining drift. It's stopping exactly where I let it stop, and it's not deciding to run off the page anymore. And now we're good. To play our favorite game again. I think the last time I played Super Smash Bros. Was 1999 or the year 2000 on my old Nintendo 64. Let's see if I can remember how to even play. If only I could stop walking off the edge. Oh, did it again. And did it again. And did it again. Or you can lose to the CPU on level 1. Alright, let's see if I can redeem myself with the good old Yoshi. he called in reinforcements. Alright, sudden death. And there we go! I don't know, what do you think? Did I redeem myself? Haha.